eggs, and to have that many in you, that's
Yeah.
got to be some work. Gosh darn it. Revenge of what? Haven't heard what Loretta's storing yet? Are they getting lazy in their retirement days if they're not up so early?
They've got to be up.
I would say usually they're up going bright and early.
It's wonder if they is, you know, outside stacking wood or
something, yeah.
Yeah.
Don't you have her cubby's flag anymore?
No, she's got a W flag there.
Oh, is it? Okay. Is it out? She said that she put the W flag out now.
No.
Well, then they must have lost.
She's just arranging.
Yeah, she pushed him around too.
Mm-hmm.
There, I got it on video.
Well, her pushing it, picking up her foot and. Oh.
She has 2 in a row.
Yeah. Oh, look at them all in there.
There's one that time. Must be getting towards the end, maybe, huh?
Man, that one time she...
Yep. She must be left-handed because she's using her left back leg. Leave it to me to think of that.
She's doing her anchoring with this leg, though. So.
Okay, yeah, that's true.
She wants to make sure she don't fall in that hole.